Now that I've finished the portrait, I'm going to focus on the background. As I keep telling you guys, and I really think it's the best way to work in art in general, is to work small to large. That way, if I work on the small area, one of the shapes in my background, and it gets a little outside of the lines, I can always cover that up really quickly when I do the background. If you do it the other way, it might be harder to correct for, so start small and then work to your larger areas. I have blue paper, but remember, I don't have to have that show. So one of the things I'm thinking of doing is I want to bring out the green in her eyes. So I think I'm going to do green triangle, or diamond, sorry. And then I think I want to make like a pretty purple color for the background to really like bring out that green. So I'm going to start small with the shape from my background, and I'm going to color it in. Remember, I can be a little loose with it. I want to still stay in the lines, but I can be a little loose with it. And then I blend it in, so I need a finger that's not dark and dirty, but a little lighter, a little green on it. Take my time, stop where the glue ends. I don't want to go too far outside of it. The glue, remember, is that nice pretty border, and it will wipe off a little bit. But you still got to be careful. Blow off any dust. Then you can take your Kleenex, find a clean area, and you can always just wipe off of that glue a little bit. Be careful not to just spread it around. Right now my Kleenex is dirty, so if I keep rubbing it, I'm just going to spread it onto the background. So I want to find a cleaner area every so often. And then it's almost like it has that blue line around it. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the background. Chalks are great because they go so fast. So see this flat edge? I'm going to set it down on the flat edge and pinch it and just rub back and forth. And see how much I filled in? Careful of your portrait. Remember, you don't want to just start smudging it. But if I hold it on its side and just rub with it, it really fills in large areas way faster. It's like when you use the side of your crayon. So I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to do just a manageable area. If I did the whole thing, I would definitely get like my shirt dirty and my hands dirty. So just do an area that you think you can manage with. Maybe half your paper or like the left side or right side at a time. And then you blend it in. And if it's not dark enough in an area, I'm going to go back and I'll just add more of that beautiful purple I like. What's so great about this project is that we're really covering everything in chalk, but because we chose a color to our paper, all our lines are going to have a bit of that color, and it'll help like our colors pop off the page. So I see around the triangle, I don't think I went dark enough, so I'm going to come in here and add a little more over here, on the edge, down here. Then I'm going to blend it in again. Then, just like I've done the whole time, and you guys have been practicing, instead of rubbing it like we do with pencil shavings, I'm going to blow all the extra chalk off. Maybe find another clean edge to go around the glue lines. Make them nice and bright. And once I finish my whole background, my picture is going to be complete.